Hi everyone, this is Amrita and in today's video I'm going to talk about dark circles and what you can do about them. Dark circles are an issue that a lot of us face after a night of heavy partying, drinking, studying, or not having slept for whatever reason. They appear because the blood vessels under our eyes become more dark and prominent and show through the skin under our eyes. They are not necessarily permanent though, and there is something you can do about them. So it's really important to know why you have dark circles in the first place so you can decide what strategy would be best for trying to help get rid of them. Let's first look at two factors that you can't really do anything about. The number one reason is genetics. A lot of people genetically have darker under eye areas and there's not too much you can do about these. No amount of topical cream application or even dietary changes will make these completely go away. The second reason is age. As we age, we naturally lose some of the fat pads under our eyes and this exposes the muscle and the blood vessels under our eyes, giving the skin a darkish appearance. Again, topical creams and diet won't really help here because none of it is really going to increase the fat below your eyes. But if genetics or age are not factors for your dark circles, here are some other factors to look at. Number one, salt intake. High salt intake can cause dehydration in the entire body, including in the area around your eyes, and this can enhance the appearance of your dark circles. Number two, the digestion and processing of alcohol creates toxic products, which creates oxidative stress on the body. And in the long run, this oxidative stress can damage the delicate skin below the eyes. Number three, sleep. When you don't sleep, there is added stress and strain on the eyes. There is a dilation of blood vessels and there is increased blood flow to the eyes, and this increased blood flow appears as a dark area under your eyes. The added stress also causes some level of dehydration, which further worsens the appearance of the dark circles. Number four is the use of certain medications like ibuprofen and other NSAIDs. These cause dilation of the blood vessels and again cause an increased blood flow to the area under the eyes, worsening the appearance of dark circles. So in addition to correcting for all of the above factors that I discussed, what else can you do? Number one, eat a balanced diet full of anti-inflammatory foods so that you're limiting the damage done to your skin. And you can check out my video right here on how you can do so. Number two, moisturize your face and regularly wear sunscreen. This can limit skin damage from the sun and can limit pigmentation on the face, which can sometimes worsen the appearance of dark circles. Number three, use a cold cloth or ice pack. What this does is it constricts the blood vessels around your eyes, reduces blood flow to the area, and in this way can lighten dark circles. Number four, hydrate. Make sure you're drinking enough fluids. How do you know if you are? Judge based on the color of your urine. It should always be pale yellow to clear. So these are some of the most common strategies that people have tried that I've covered. But I know that a lot of people try a lot of different unique things. So if there's something that you've tried that's worked for you and that I haven't spoken about, please leave in the comments below. I'm sure everyone would love to know more about it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also enjoy it. If you have any questions, concerns or comments, leave them in the section below, reach out to me over Instagram or simply shoot me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.